To install the MechaBappers, first be sure you have these things installed in your Unity project and your Unity project open. Then you can double click your Unity package and then you can just click import. Once imported, navigate to Vio, Props, MechaBappers, VRC Fury prefabs, and then I have prefabs set up for Littleton or Poyomi. So let's do Poyomi. And you have the Arcanist, Bubbles, or the Gun prefab you can select, so let's do the Bubbles. Click, drag, and drop it on the name of your avatar right here. And it should show up in your scene like this. Expand the prefab, and then click this object, position and scale on right forearm, and then just like the object is named, we will use W, E, and R to reposition, rotate, and resize respectively. And the other side will mirror. Now we want to add the arm cutaway map. Otherwise, when you bend your wrist, the hands will clip through the MechaBappers. So you can click your body here and find the material that has your arms on it. For Mayu, it's this one. Unlock Poyomi. Then we want to switch the rendering preset to at least cutout. You want to right click alpha cutoff, not alpha map, but alpha cutoff, and then select animated when locked, and turn this slider down to 0. Then we need to add the arm cutaway map. So let's lock our inspector. And then here in your project tab search bar, you can search arm cutaway and just start typing it. It should bring up this folder here. And I already have some here for several different avatar bases. If you don't see your avatar base, I have an arm cutaway tool that you can use for your base. I have Mayu right here, so we'll just click, drag, drop it into alpha map, and we're done. You can lock Poyomi back if you want, and test it out in Gesture Manager. Okay, Mayu here is in bicycle pose, but yours might just be standing like normal. But let's go ahead and test the MechaBappers anyway. We'll go to Expressions, Vio, MechaBappers, and click Toggle. MechaBappers turn on, and the hands turn off. Awesome. Everything works. Let me know if you have any questions. There's a link to my Discord in the description. Thanks. Bye-bye.